Guys, YouTube at it again. My channel was taken down. My channel was taken down again. Stay tuned with me on this video while I walk you through what happened and the reason why my channel was taken down. Welcome back to Auguilicious. If you're new, thank you for coming. If you're an old returning subscriber, thank you for returning. And stay tuned with Auguilicious. She has something to dish out to you that you will not regret tuning in. So stay tuned. Let's get on with our video. You guys, I saw this prompt from YouTube. In fact, I said I was going to check my notification. Only for me to check my notification, I saw that my channel has been taken down. Why? They said circumvention issue. What is a convention issue? Just see the mail I got from YouTube. We have reviewed your channel and found a violation of circumvention policy. Because of this, we have removed your channel from YouTube. Ask me, what is circumvention policy? Guys, I've made videos about YouTube taking down my channel in the past. So circumvention issue, which most of us may not know about, is when you have a YouTube channel and you've not succeeded in appealing that channel, or you had an issue with that channel, and due to YouTube policy guideline, you broke their policy, probably due to what you posted or due to not following their YouTube guideline, and your channel was taken down and you were not successful with the appeal, then you go on to open another channel, which most of us may be guilty of. And the sad part about this, I had my previous channel taken down, and although the first one I appealed, the second one I didn't even bother appealing because I felt they said I broke their policy due to repeated actions. I think I will drop it somewhere on the video. In fact, let me read it for you guys. We have reviewed your content and found severe or repeated violations of our community guideline. Because of this, we have removed your channel from YouTube. Mind you, it was just a post I made, a video I made. And that video, I was trying to make awareness with regards to what was happening in my community. And they said I violated their guideline. Any which ways, I didn't even bother appealing that channel. I went on to open this channel. The funny thing, YouTube waited for me to get to my milestone. I mean, this is a channel I've been building for months, and I've reached my first milestone, which is getting at least 1K subscribers. And now I get this message from YouTube. Due to circumvention policy, my channel has been taken down. When I went online to check, it said, from what I checked online, it said, for your channel to be brought back, you have to be successful with your previous appeal. Probably if you had a channel that YouTube has taken down, you have to be successful with the appeal. And what happens if you're not successful with the appeal? Is it that your new channel will not be taken up? Guys, I had to summon on courage, and I wrote the appeal. Not even because I was quite nervous and I really wanted this channel back, because I know how much effort I've put on this channel, my time, my money, everything, to make this channel work. And however, guys, I had to do this appeal. I made this appeal, guys. I made it, and I was hoping probably they would take some time. And immediately I got this message. My channel was brought back. They said they apologized for making the decision of taking my channel down. They confirmed themselves that I have not violated any of their YouTube policy guideline. You know what I was thinking? Okay, what could have happened if probably I've violated their policy, or I've had strike, or I've had any of these issues? Because most times I'm trying to encourage someone that is creating channel, or you're at the verge of creating a new channel, try to appeal your previous channel, appeal and see what they say before you open another channel. And if after you open another channel you get this kind of violation, don't be scared, just put in your appeal, and hopefully it get reinstated, just like mine was reinstated. I was like, oh, if that is the end of YouTube for me, because I told myself, if they actually take down this channel, so could that be it? Because I've tried the first channel, I've tried my second channel, and now this is my third channel, putting much effort in this channel. And mind you, I didn't bother appealing my second channel. Probably if I've appealed it, maybe, who knows, I might have gotten the channel back, but I didn't bother. I just went on to open another channel. And one advice I'll give you as a new YouTuber, make sure you have different Gmail accounts for your YouTube channel. Don't use your personal Gmail account. Use a specified Gmail account for your YouTube channel, so to avoid things like fraud or anything that could um, cause harm to your channel, especially if you're going to review your email. Ensure that it's an email that is different from that of your YouTube channel. So I want to thank everyone that have encouraged Auguilicious, encouraged this channel, like my editor. He has encouraged by always optimizing and dropping his best advice. And also, I've also been able to come across YouTubers that have really dropped great nuggets. I thank everyone that have helped to push this channel to her heights. I love you guys, and you that's watching, please drop your comment and share this video. And if you're in the middle of making the right decision, especially ha- struggling to get watch hour, struggling to get the right video, struggling to get subscribers, struggling to know how to properly engage with your channel, or make others engage with your channel, I would advise you watch the video coming up at the end of this video. Watch it so you don't become a victim of the violation of YouTube community guideline. Guys, it's serious. So I'm create videos, I'm making videos, not just my experience, lesson I've learned from others, and also what has impacted my channel. Especially when it comes to pushing out the right content. You could think that you want to go viral, so you want to follow every trend, everything you hear on this space. You have to be careful, because especially when you're putting in your best effort, you're doing watch for watch, you're doing follow for follow, you're doing subscribe for subscribe. Watch this video and you will not regret watching it. And please drop your comment, and see you there. Love you. Bye for now.